bloody mirror in there. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the reflection. Look at that. And around the sides of it is borax. Look at that. You can see, look at it. It's liquid mirror. When I can pull that out, it's got nothing on it, it means it's actually ready. Look at that. Liquid molten copper. Oh, didn't think that'd burn through my glove, but it does. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's hot. Get this water to boil, eh? So I might put them up there. I'm not so close to it. There we go. Be flat out trying to get that one. Bugger it. There we go. Alright guys, if you like that, subscribe and all the rest of it. So there's my copper stack.